Hello everyone, we are here in the Cleveland area where it appears that there may have been a tornado that struck this area, destroying a barn and sending some of its sheet metal flying all over this yard that you see here behind me. Now, according to residents, they say that this happened around 3:30 and it was captured on some of their surveillance cameras. Take a look here and you can see just some of the intense winds and the debris flying around while this was going on. According to residents, they say that the barn was damaged severely, and they also say that some trailers and other items on the property were moved around because of that weather. Now, nothing is confirmed as of yet. The National Weather Service will obviously have to come out here and do a damage assessment to determine if an actual tornado did strike this area, but you can see that the damage is very severe. Luckily, we can share that everyone that lived in the nearby home is okay, and they're grateful that this weather just missed their house. We have plenty more information about what happened here on KHOU.com.